Hi everyone, I'm Ron and today we are diving into top CRM designed to supercharge your cold calling and lead management efforts. Whether you're a solopreneur or managing a sales team, the video will help you choose the right CRM and maximize its potential. We are going to compare four tools. The first one is HubSpot CRM, Salesforce CRM, Pipedrive, and Zoho CRM. I have made a separate video on each software. If not, then let us know in the comment section. We will make so that you can get a conclusion whether you should go with it or not. So for those who don't know, cold calling can feel like shooting in the dark, no visibility into lead quality, no follow-up system, and no way to track performance. Without a reliable CRM, it's easy to waste time, miss opportunity, and lose potential customers. And it happens. So a CRM, which is called Customer Relationship Management tool, is designed to help you manage leads, track interactions, and automate repetitive tasks. For cold calling, the right CRM can provide all the tracking, lead scoring, and analytics to boost your success rate. So without wasting any time, let's go one by one here. So we will start with HubSpot. So HubSpot CRM is a free, user-friendly platform with robust feature for cold calling and lead management. So what are the key features? Call tracking and recording, email integrations for follow-up, lead scoring and automation workflow. So use HubSpot email template to save time and maintain consistency in the communication, right? Now let's move for the next one, which is called Salesforce. Salesforce is a powerful customizable CRM, ideal for large team and enterprise. It has advanced analytic and reporting. It integrates with third-party tools like Zoom and Slack. It has AI-powered insight for lead prioritization. So customized dashboard to focus on metrics that matter most to your team. Now the next one is, which is a third one, that is a Pipedrive. Pipedrive is a visual intuitive CRM designed for small to medium sized sales team. Pipeline visualization for tracking deals. It is a key feature. It has a built-in calling and email capabilities. It has automation for repetitive tasks. So guys, use Pipedrive activity remain row to ensure no lead fall through the crack. Now, the last one is a Zoho CRM. Zoho CRM is a very affordable, feature-rich platform, has a large application base, which you don't need to juggle between different application. You can try it for, there's always all the platforms gives you free trial by the way, and it has a strong cold calling capabilities. It has a call center integration for seamless calling, AI-driven lead scoring and forecasting. There's a multi-channel communication tracking. Leverage Zoho mobile app to manage leads and call on the go. Right, now let's talk about more here. So create and test call scripts to ensure consistency and professionalism, right? You can prioritize high quality lead to focus your efforts on the most promising prospects, automate follow-up email and reminder to stay top of your mind leads, right? So I have made a separate video on each platform, right? You can watch it and get into deeply, right? I have gave you the introduction, and by the way, the best CRM for cold calling depends on your need and budget. HubSpot is great for beginners, and Pipedrive, Salesforce is for enterprises, Pipedrive is for visual pipeline, and Zoho for affordability. By the way, each CRM fulfills the basic need. Now, if you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more sales tips. Don't forget to leave a comment below. I will love to hear which CRM you're using or answer any question. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.